If you want to change Apple Maps satellite view, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and try to pin down the maps, right? So I'm gonna try to pin down maps. You can do you can do the second option by going back to your screen, right? And swipe left and try to pin down maps from there, right? And you're gonna be able to open it. In my case, I did the quicker way. Now what I'm gonna do, I can just see right here, this is the satellite view. I can click the Earth icon at the top right here, at the first one, and I'm gonna be able to change it to driving, right? So I can see the traffic, or what can I expect, or transit, or explore, or I can just keep it on satellite. If you haven't kept it on satellite, just go ahead and select satellite from here, and you're gonna be able to choose the map from the first option at the top right. Okay, so you can select also 2D or 3D in order to get better visuals. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.